Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. Today's video title is CPU fan speed error detected. Are you getting the CPU fan speed error detected message when starting your computer? In this video, I will show you how to fix the CPU fan speed error easily and safely. This error usually appears when the motherboard detected a problem with the CPU cooling fans, such as low fan speeds, a loose fan connection, correct BIOS settings, or a faulty CPU fan. Today I will show you vital reason and solve it. After coming this message, you will press F1 for BIOS setup. After opening the BIOS, you see the CPU fan option. Here you see red mark showing and not rotating, and right here NA. It means CPU cooling fan doesn't work functionally and perfectly. The other two fans were not installed. As a result, they are not spinning. We will click Q fan control. The marking position is standard, but the fan not spinning. For that, we will select turbo or full speed. If we will select turbo and exit, the RPM will show 200 or above, and if we will select full speed, it will show 400 and above. We will select full speed, there will be no more problem. So if the video helps you, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more computer troubleshooting and PC repair tutorials. Thank you.